Ever wondered why she seems unbothered by you? You know, like you're just another face in the crowd? It can be super confusing, right? Well, today we're diving deep into all the reasons why she might be acting this way. We're calling this one, If a Girl Acts Unbothered by You, This Is Why, and trust me, it's gonna be eye-opening. Let's dive into the psychology behind her actions, and maybe, just maybe, you'll understand her a little bit better by the end of this. Reason 1, is she testing you? Okay, first up, let's talk about the she's testing your interest theory. You know how sometimes you just pretend you don't want the last cookie, just to see if someone will offer it to you? Yeah, it can be kinda like that. She might be playing it cool, acting all nonchalant just to see how much you really like her. Does she respond to your texts? Eventually. Does she seem a little too busy to hang out? She might be watching to see if you'll step up and show her you're really interested. It's like a little game of emotional chess, and nobody wants to make the first move. But hey, sometimes you gotta risk it for the biscuit, right? Reason 2, guarding her heart. All right, next up, let's get real for a second. Sometimes when a girl seems unbothered, it's because she's been hurt before. And no, I'm not talking about stubbing her toe on the coffee table. I'm talking about heartbreak. Ouch, right? So she might be building up these walls trying to protect herself from getting hurt again. It's like she's wearing emotional armor, and it's tough to get through. But hey, a little understanding and patience goes a long way. She'll let you in, eventually. Reason 3, the art of playing hard to get. Okay, let's be honest. Sometimes girls play hard to get. It's like a classic rom-com trope, right? She might be acting all cool and collected, but secretly, she's hoping you'll fight for her attention. It's all about that chase, that spark, that feeling of, oh, she's not easy to win over. I gotta up my game. But remember, there's a fine line between playing it cool and playing games. Nobody wants to feel like they're auditioning for a role in their own love story. Reason 4, her dreams come first. Here's a thought. Maybe, just maybe, she's not actually unbothered by, she's just really focused on herself. She's got goals, she's got dreams, she's got a vision board with Beyoncé on it. We all do, right? She might be prioritizing her own life, her own journey, and that's amazing. It's important for everyone to chase their passions. It doesn't mean she's not interested, it just means she's got her own thing going on. Reason 5, the truth hurts. Okay, I know nobody wants to hear this, but sometimes the reason she's acting unbothered is because, well, she's just not interested, and that's okay. Not everyone is meant to be together, right? It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It's just not gonna work. But hey, don't take it personally. There are plenty of fish in the sea, and you'll find your perfect guppy eventually. Just keep swimming. Reason 6, she's crazy busy, like really busy. You know how sometimes you feel like you're juggling a million things at once? Well, she might be feeling that way too. Maybe she's got a demanding job, or she's studying for a big exam, or she's trying to train her cat to stop pushing things off the counter. It's a work in progress. The point is, she might genuinely be swamped and not have the time or energy to focus on anything else. Give her some space, and if it's meant to be, she'll come around. Reason 7, unsure about you? Relationships can be confusing, right? One minute you're sending emojis, the next you're wondering if you should double text. It's a roller coaster of emotions. So maybe she's acting unbothered because she's unsure about you. She might be trying to figure out her own feelings, trying to decide if you're the peanut butter to her jelly. It's like she's reading a choose-your-own-adventure book, and she's not sure which path to take. Reason 8, the patience test. Okay, this one might sound a little sneaky, but sometimes a girl will act unbothered to test your patience. She wants to see if you're the kind of person who gives up easily, or if you're willing to put in the effort. It's like she's hiding the prize behind a really complicated puzzle, and you have to prove you're worthy of solving it. But remember, patience is a virtue, and it's also a great quality to have in a relationship. Reason 9. The walls are up for a reason. We talked about guarding her heart earlier, but sometimes those walls are built extra high. Past relationships can leave scars, and it's important to be understanding and compassionate. She might be afraid of getting hurt again, so she's putting on a brave face and acting like she doesn't care. But deep down, she might just be waiting for someone to show her that not all guys are the same. Reason 10. Make a move already. All right, sometimes you just gotta take the bull by the horns, or in this case, the girl by the hand, metaphorically, of course. She might be acting unbothered because she's waiting for to make a move. Maybe she's tired of subtle hints and wants you to be direct. Ask her out, plan a fun date, send her a sweet text, but not too sweet. You don't want to give her a toothache. Take a chance and see what happens. So, if a girl acts unbothered by you, it could be for a variety of reasons. Understanding these can help you navigate your relationship better. Is she testing you, guarding her heart, or just really, really busy? It's like a puzzle, and sometimes you just gotta try different pieces until you find the right fit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. And remember, communication is key. Keep trying and stay positive.